If you're going to Worlds this year, you better pray 47874J is not in your division. Check this out. What's up, guys? Welcome back to RoboMatch Lab. Today we are breaking down Occam's chainsaw 47874J. Why? Because they are one of the cleanest and scariest bots in the pushback meta right now. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they win, their broken hardware, their ice-cold driving, and most importantly, the high IQ macro decisions that make them a massive division problem. First, let's talk about the hardware and the auton flex. Right off the bat, you can see how efficient this bot is. They intake fast, settle blocks cleanly, and put points on the board without looking rushed. Clean, but here is where their build gets insane. They are running a double wide S bot. This means they can literally intake from both loaders at the exact same time, no pausing, no awkward turns, and notice this, they just drive straight over the park zone barrier. Most bots get stuck here because of their odometry wheels, but 47874J can just fly through front or back. Their capacity is crazy, their pathing is clean, and their cycle efficiency is just broken. It is not just speed, it is usable speed. Now let's talk about the real reason they win, their robot IQ. First, watch this intake tech. They put their match loader down to grab 3 blocks so they do not roll away. Smart. Then they attack the long goal. But watch the chassis angle here. They do not just push straight and hope. They turn the bot to generate angular momentum, which gives them way more force on the shove without crossing the auton line and risking a penalty. That is a massive big brain move, and here is the absolute game changer in the pushback meta, goal prioritization. Most teams panic and fight for the long goals first, right? 47874J knows this. So what do? They go for the upper center goal late. Why? Because everyone else is distracted by the long goals, which gives them a better chance to steal that center control when it matters most. That is not just good driving. That is high-level robot IQ. That is elite macro decision-making. And even when things get messy, they do not freeze. They pivot. They reset fast. They keep scoring pressure on the field. If they lose one piece of control, they do not fall apart. They just shift the math back in their favor with volume, timing, and smart goal choices. Long goal pressure, lower center dumps, upper center timing. They understand how to win the whole field, not just one fight. But having a crazy bot is nothing without a clean driver. Look at this sequence. No wasted movement, no panic spinning, no random bouncing. When they are locked in, they are locked in. Every push has a purpose. Every movement means something. That is what makes them feel so clean on driver. Clean driving, a massive double wide capacity, and strategy that is just steps ahead of everyone else. That is why 47874J is a nightmare matchup. What do you guys think? Could your bot defend against this S-bot? Drop your team number and your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the lab next time.